Yaya ng lumba, tuloy-tuloy ang pagdagana na hinasama.
So, Allen Mulya versus Joshua Barrientos. Malaysia is leading. Nasa kaliwa.
Aatras dahil kasama mo ang Chris. Sama natin pagkawala ng liwanag.
Unang lumiko is Malaysia.
Tuloy-tuloy ang buhay, papawiin ang dilim dahil kasama mo ang Chris. Basta makina, tipid at tibay, 2-year warranty, pag-asa ay makakamit sa ilog at laot, patubig at lupa, liwanag sa dilim, powering lives, basta makina, tipid at tibay, 2-year warranty, pag-asa.
So, Malaysia, medyo dumidikit, pero lumalayo pa rin. Ang Malaysia, dinidikitan ng Team Docker. But let's see, still we have one remaining boy before the finish line. And this race is brought to you by, of course, Lucky LMB. And of course, Mayor Lester Disagun ng San Nicolas, Batangas. And of course, thank you, Vice Mayor Mark Disagun. So it is clearly Malaysia.
Harapin ang daluyong ng dagat.
Joshua Barrientos on the finish line. So they are already now guaranteed with, I think, 80,000 pesos. So ito na, last game, mukhang magmumukhang parang championship na rin to sapagkat ang maglalaban dito para bumuo sa Final Four ay DVRT 54 and Malaysia 46. So thank you po, Sir Docker. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And of course, you have shown great fight. And see you at the National Championship para sa atin pong 2 million peso game. So iniimbitahan po muli kayo ng Crest Philippines at ng KTEC Philippines, ng Jago Ventures Corporation, ang may pa-sponsor ng palarong ito dito sa Batangas, na pumunta at manood sa gaganapin pong National Championship.